Know how to create a restore point on Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer. Creating a restore point is a very essential thing. It will always save you if your computer have some infections, if your computer get any problems, you can always restore your computer to the earlier point of time. So it is a good practice to create a system restore. So let's go ahead and do that. And for that, you just need to click on the search icon and type advanced settings. So the moment you type advanced, you will see view advanced system settings. So you need to click on that and a new window will appear like this where it has the tabs like computer name, hardware, advanced, system protection. So we need to go to the system protection and here you will find your C drive. So please check if your protection is turned on. System protection Windows C is turned on. If it's not, then you need to click on configure and then turn on the system protection. Once you do that, you just need to click on apply and OK. And in this manner, the system protection for the C drive will be activated. And now you will be able to create a restore point so that it will help you in future if you face any problems. So I'll click on create and you can mention the date. So for an example, let's say today is Wednesday, June 2022. So you can mention anything in the name and then you can create a restore point. So once you have created, it might take some time to create a restore point. You can see the restore point was created successfully. Now if I want to, so now if you want to do a system restore, you just need to click on the search icon and type recovery and you will find recovery options. So I'll click on that and here you will find advanced startup and from here you can do the system restore. So this is how you can create a restore point. I hope you have enjoyed this very short tutorial. I'll see you in the next video. Guys, please hit the like and subscribe. Have a wonderful day.